Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to deal with the Windows key not working in Windows 11 with simple and easy to follow steps. So, without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. Before going any further, ensure that the Windows key is not locked by trying any of the commands on the screen. Press the Windows key and I on your keyboard, go to Gaming, select Game Mode, and ensure that Game Mode is turned off. Press the Windows key and I on your keyboard, go to Accessibility, scroll down, and select Keyboard. Select the little right arrow next to sticky keys. Ensure this option is turned off. Back to keyboard, turn off sticky keys, and turn off filter keys. Right-click the Windows icon, then select Device Manager. Click Keyboards to expand it. Right-click your keyboard driver, then select Update. Select Search automatically for drivers. Once the installation is complete, close this page and restart your system. Click the Windows icon, then type Registry Editor. Select HKey Local Machine, then System. Select Current Control Set, then Services. Scroll down until you find I8042PRT. Click it, right-click Start, select Modify, then over here, set the value data to 1. Hit OK, then restart your system. If the issue still isn't resolved after following the steps in this video, the next thing to do is check for hardware issues. Examine the keyboard for any buildup of dust or grime and clean it out with a can of compressed air. If you're using a USB keyboard, try connecting it to another device to see if it works. If the issue still persists, you'll need to replace the keyboard. For those on laptops, you'll need to take your system in for repairs. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.